Hey guys, Glen Murray. How are you? This is AgencyReel 2.0 review. I'm going to do a demo. I'm going to do a walkthrough. I'm going to show you the OTOs. Show you. Stick around to the end. I'll show you a cool way to get a discount, and basically I'll explain my opinion on this. Just a disclaimer: I do own AgencyReel version 1, so I'm kind of biased because it's a great program. All right, so first off, what is AgencyReel? It's basically it's an all-in-one platform that you can run an agency with. And let's go over to the sales page so you can sort of see what we're going to do. Actually, let's take a look at the bonuses first, because you guys always want to know about that. I've got a bunch of bonuses. I've got my bonus page, and then we've got the vendors actually giving away some exclusive other bonuses. So you're going to get a ton of different bonuses. So let's pop onto, there's of course my bonus page here. I'll be throwing up a bunch of cool stuff for you, and then there'll be semi-exclusive bonuses, so you'll get a choice of a couple of these in here. Social Neos, these are their programs, or there's some really great stuff. I will find some of my older ones to throw on as well. Video App Monarchy, as well as we've got these ones. So you've got agency rights to Social Proof Elite. You're going to be getting white label rights to lightning fast video ranking, reseller rights to versatile video gallery. There's a whole premium, 2,500 premium stock videos, 1,000 HD motivational quotes, agency rights to what is this one? Software launching soon maintenance mode. So basically, you can build underneath. What else is there? Google Maps creator, agency right, lead local client mag. There's a ton of stuff, guys, and it's cool because one of the OTOs is all about local marketing, which you know that I'm getting into with mass page building and stuff like that. So let's go through the sales page together. So the first one is here. Groundbreaking self-filling AI. So what's cool about this, guys, you're not going to get like the usual sort of tons of crap. I don't want to say crap, but that really that salesy stuff. These are top-notch programs that these guys put out. I own a few of their programs, and they're great stuff. So it's point and click your way to exciting videos. It's upgraded AI traffic posters, so it actually using AI, which everyone's using these days, which is great. Content stream technology, auto find viral content, auto create viral graphic content, auto rank content hashtags, find easily land clients, agency rights, commercial rights now included. That's on the front end, which is really cool. Proven results for users. So no monthly fees. Agency right included today. So basically it's AI bot technology. Want to go beyond just creating and selling services to clients. They'll definitely want to take advantage of the first all-in-one solution. So can leverage your massive upgraded smart software that now builds and runs an agency business, which is pretty cool. All-in-one solution for total market domination. Ready to grab a slice of $150 billion industry. And these are the two creators here, Ben and Abby, which are awesome guys. So you can go read through this, guys, but generally it's a pretty it's a great if it's anything like AgencyReel 1, it's gonna be it'll be very robust, and you'll be able to use it to really build out an agency business if that's what you're into. So let's jump on, and I will show you the demo so you can kind of get a behind scenes look at what is going on, and then I'll be back and we'll go through the OTOs, and I'll show you how to how to get a discount on it, and I've got some coupons for you and that kind of thing. All right, so here is the video, and I'll be back in a minute.
In this video, we're going to see how AgencyReel, an upgraded all-in-one AI-based software, can build and run an agency business for you from the ground up. AgencyReel 2.0 can find clients, creating many types of content, and smartly auto-scheduling and posting it as if you ran and charged like a huge agency company. This new upgraded version includes many new features like built-in viral video creator, the ability to find and curate viral content, agency rights for the ability to sell to clients, and even upgraded content stream technology that smartly posts a mix of content 24/7, 100% as if you ran a full teamed agency. To get started, let's get some clients for our agency first by clicking on the Find Clients tab. Enter a niche you want to find clients in, like bakery, location, and select the category. You can quickly see all the leads in your area that may need video content or social media traffic, including the business's rating in Google. You can click to learn more about them, including seeing their contact details, their website, and more to see what marketing services AgencyReel can provide for them. Then go to the Manage Clients tab to integrate a client. Enter your client's details like their name, enter a password, how much you will earn from them each week as AgencyReel 2.0 does bookkeeping services. Include the ability to email them login access to create campaigns themselves, company, description. Then connect as many social media accounts as you like, including now multiple Facebook accounts, multiple Twitter accounts, and many more options than the 1.0 did. Okay, awesome. So we've onboarded a client. Now let's dive into the content stream technology to drive perpetual traffic with the AI software. So a content stream is a group of a specific type of content that will be used to publish on social media accounts. You can create a content stream called pet videos and add all viral pet videos to it for a local business. Create another content stream of quotes and add all your quotes to it. So let's create a content stream of, say, bakery images for this bakery client. Choose which type of content stream to create, an image-based one, a video one, text or formatted text with images. Enter some tags, title, and description. Then choose and upload our first file. You can upload some photos from their bakery to this stream. You can edit the images, title, and description that will come with it on social media. Then continue uploading as many pieces of content you have to this specific content stream. Alright, so now it's time to get the perpetual traffic. Then go to the scheduler and specify when each content stream will post. For instance, have quotes content stream post at July 27th and a video content stream post at, say, July 29th. The app will then post whatever content you have uploaded to that particular stream at that time, and once it runs out of posts, we'll start recycling the older posts that are performing best, so you're always posting content to their social profiles all week for perpetual traffic. The app will smartly post a suite of varied content throughout the week. For example, one day a viral video, the next day quote, the next day a blog article, and then another viral video, like a major content and social agency would do without you having to lift a finger. Schedule once and you're done for years. Choose a date, pick your client, pick the content stream, choose the social account, and choose the time. Hit repurpose if you want AgencyReel AI to keep posting that content stream's content in the best performing pieces over and over again without you having to reschedule. If your client doesn't have any content, don't worry, as AgencyReel can create the content to schedule for you in minutes. First, you can find content ideas that will generate tons of traffic with the brand new Trends tab. For example, enter your niche keyword, and the Reddit tab will bring up viral articles and topics to make posts or videos off of or schedule. Hit the YouTube tab to find viral videos to repurpose or to post to your client's content streams. You can search by Creative Commons and download the videos to edit if you want. Find out what's trending in a local business's area by hitting the Twitter platform and then entering a location. Not only that, but AgencyReel can create the content for you now, including full, unique viral videos to get perpetual traffic from. Click on My Content and select the video creator to use the brand new video creation engine to make videos for clients or sell or schedule. This simple but powerful video maker lets you search our library for millions of professional image and video clips to use. Then add them to the video timeline below. You can press the plus button to add multiple video clips and images to build out our video. You can also add Creative Commons viral video clips within your video as well. Think of how cool that is. You can add your own intro, a viral video, and then a CTA back to the company's page for tons of leads. Speaking of that, you can add text anywhere you want to each of these clips. Type out the text, choose the position, choose the text color and background color if needed. Plus, create quote videos by hitting the Quotes tab. Quote videos get tons of shares on Instagram, and this state-of-the-art editor lets you add quotes to any video clip in seconds. Then choose to watermark the video or add the local business's logo, and then you can add jingle music or voiceovers, including state-of-the-art text-to-speech narration, and then generate your video to post over and over again. AgencyReel 2.0 lets you make viral graphic content too with the upgraded Quotes and Memes Maker. Search a gigantic library of the most popular memes to add to your viral graphic image. Resize the image if you need. Then you can add text and drag that into place with the drag and drop technology. You can add emojis and other cinema effects to the image as well. You can layer all the images or delete them if needed. You can add pro background images to it like this. Plus, search a gigantic library of the most popular quotes to make quote images too. Now there's tons of combinations to make almost every type of popular graphic content that gets clicks on all networks. When you're done, save it or download it and assign it to the content stream of your choice for perpetual posting. Not only that, but once AgencyReel 2.0 posts all this content, you can go back to reports and generate professional report for each client to receive your monthly paycheck, clearly showing them that you are posting all day long and making the content. Now, they don't have to know that a smart technology did all the heavy lifting for you. Now, I think you get the picture, right? This is the biggest, baddest, all-in-one tool out there today for starting and running an agency business. Everything is here, from getting the clients to posting all day to creating pro social and video content.
So it's pretty amazing, like what we've got technology to work with now. It's just it blows my mind what they can do. Like being able to go in and find local clients, grab them, be able to approach them. If you want, message me. I actually have a really cool template and I can show you exactly how to pull out a report on their website, and then I have an email template that you can send to them to connect with them, basically to start to working with them. So let's go through. We're going to go through the OTOs, so you guys can see what those are going on. So the first one is triple your agency real results. It's a $1,500, 15,500 worth of upgrades. So this is going to create unlimited. It's $97 for the completely unlimited. So there's no limitations. There will probably be some limitations on the first one. Create unlimited content streams and accounts. So due to bandwidth. So I'm not sure what the front end has, but I will look that up for you. But this will be an unlimited upgrade. That is the unlimited for $97. The next one is going to be the done for you. So they're going to actually create the content streams for you. It's $197 value. Now, guys, I believe for these, there is a downsell. You might not get all the features, but you might get this for a little less money. You either scroll off the page, or if you say no thanks, you'll be taken to a downsell on that, and I'll go through the downsells on that. So that's the done for you. They're going to do it for you. The next one is the enterprise. You basically create this as your own app and sell access, so you can actually create accounts with it and give your clients accounts so they could run their own social media accounts. So that's pretty cool. Unlimited agency integration, add unlimited clients and delete them with agency level technology. Add your own logos, so you're gonna be able to brand it all to yourself. And that is OTO. And this is the one I'm really cool about. New app finds, claims, and optimize local business profiles pages on auto. So this one is going to auto find local leads that need business reputation, create local offers for businesses, claim and manage Google My Business profiles through the app. So this is going to be able to really dive down on local. So if you are doing the local agency thing, this is a very cool upgrade. And the price for this is, where's the price for this one? Scroll down. Yeah, guys, this is a pretty robust tool. If you are thinking about getting an agency, you'll definitely want to get your hands on this. Where's the buy button? It's $39, guys, for all that for the local revenue. So this is a steal for this. Use coupons, local profile review, full CRM. So if you don't, like CRM is what you manage your clients with. 24/7 support. Find 10,000 leads per month. Create 500 review widget campaigns per month. 500 QR codes. So it's a very cool upgrade. And then the last one is, I believe, Viral Reel. So this is going to take you, within a few clicks, you can create the same viral videos that are ranking in hundreds of buyers for regular people each day. So this is the Viral Reel upgrade. So let me just double check on the front end. So upgraded, fine. I just want to make sure you are able to create the video in there. Let's see what's included. Go all the way down. Create unlimited memes. Create quotes from libraries. Create videos. Yeah, so cinemagraphs. So you're able to do those the layovers. So API approved, 1,000 images and graphics to pick from, content calendar, full cloud. So that's the front end. and commercial and agency rights listed. So go through that. So guys, that's the review there. Let me go back on here. Hello again, and let me just make sure I got the prices right and what's on the front end here. Built-in viral video creator. Yeah, so 2.0 has a viral video creator in it, and you can find topic ideas from Reddit, Google News, YouTube, Creative Commons, curate viral articles, find local hashtags, agency rights, commercial rights, upgrade content stream tech, machine learning understanding. So guys, here's one thing that was really stood out for me for this. Being able to reschedule posts that are working really well. I use two programs. One I'm actually transferring over from one to another. I may possibly just go to this and use this as an all-in-one. So how I do my Twitter feed and some of my Facebook posts is I will create a post and then I'll reschedule it for 7 days later to be reposted again, and then I'll run that for anywhere from, depending if it's sort of a smaller campaign, or I may campaign it out for a year. But then every week that gets posted, right? So what this scheduler is doing, it looks like it's taking it'll repurpose the post, but it will actually use the ones that are performing the best, whichever one's got interaction. So one got interaction, it'll start using those ones, and then it'll make the feed. So let's say you put together 30 posts, right? That's going to go out once a week. So you're going to get your first 30 weeks, it's going to do those posts, and then it's going to start repurposing those and re-uploading those posts, especially the ones that went viral. And you're going, well, haven't people seen it already? No, guys. Once something has gone from 30 days or even 2 weeks, people think it's new again. It's really, we are bombarded so much with media stuff that goes on, so you can repurpose stuff within a couple of weeks, and people are like, oh, it's brand new, I'm going to share it. Oh, well, maybe I've seen this before, but yeah, I liked it the first time, I'm going to like it again. And it goes, and that's how you drive traffic back to people's sites, to their social media. When they get on their social media, they check out their profile. Their profile has a call to action, go to their website, they go to the website. If they have a strong sales page or whatever it is, they're able to make sales. And that is the whole game. And you're here to help local businesses do that. So guys, this has been my AgencyReel 2.0 review, walkthrough demo. Basically, so make sure, there's going to be some coupons below too, or message me, comment that you want the coupons, because there is going to be some coupons during the launch period. If you're watching this after the launch period, it's still going to be a great product to get, guys, because it is a long-term product. These programs are gold, and they last for a couple of years until they come up with a new version, and then you're usually able to upgrade for a smaller fee when it first came out. I missed the email on this, but usually you can upgrade, or you can continue using the same program. But think about it, you maybe spend a couple $100 on this program. One client, 1 month, is going to pay for it 3-4 times over, so you're not really worried about not being able to make money with this program. That being said, there's no guarantees. I don't know what you're going to do with it. A lot of people do nothing. But if you actually take the program, follow the training, and start getting out there and hustling for some clients, there's so many businesses out there that are looking. They have no clue on how to break into social media. You just need to know a little tiny bit and allow this agency to do all the work for you, and you're going to have great success with it. But you got to do the work, guys. All right, my name is Glen Murray. This is Affiliate Profit Pages Review channel. Make sure you check out the link below. This has been the AgencyReel 2.0 review, and check out my other links. Those are the my business marketing training links that you're gonna really like. There's also my free 6-figure blueprint checklist. You can download that for free, and you can get started on being an affiliate marketer if you're not into doing agency, or if you're like me, you want to do both. It's kind of fun. It's like there's a lot of set it forget it stuff. You get income coming in from clients while you're able to pursue doing affiliate marketing, especially if you use AI tools like AgencyReel 2.0. All right, guys, cheers. I highly recommend this. Cheers.